Hello, everybody. My name is Millie. Welcome to today's episode. In today's episode, we are discussing filters pane. So you can use the filters in the filters pane to slice and dice your data, or you could build a custom slices pane. I'm going to show you how to customize the Power BI filters pane for it to better suit the color theme of your reports. And so let's get right onto it. This is the filter spin we are going to build today. This color better reflects the color theme on the dashboard. So we have this dark background. And when a filter hasn't been selected, it has this white background with this black text. And then when a filter has been selected, then we have this purple, light purple background with also the text changing into white. So if, for example, we clear this, everything goes to back to a black text and a white background. And if we should select a particular filter that we filter our data based on, then we get this purple background with this white text. So this better suits the color theme that we have as opposed to having the same thing and just having just a default color scheme by Power BI. So this would help to make your reports better. So let's just go into the developments of it. Let's get started with the filter pane itself. So for us to get there, we go into the formats pane and we go into the filter pane section. Here we have a lot of options, so we can either increase or decrease the font size of these filters or change the font family. So we could technically go in and change the font family, and then we could increase the size and also the color of it, and everything changes as such. We could change the border colors as well if you would want. So let's just pick these colors, and this changes. But then this is not what we seek to achieve. So let's just clear out everything by taking 2 or 3 steps back. And let's just start to make it similar to the color theme that we have here. So we go back into this filter pane and we could first change the background color. So we could go into the background and then we can pick this color scheme, which is similar to this is the same as this color. And then we could go now into the text and change it into white. And then now we could bring in different filters. So we had filters such as the product category, product group, the actual product name, and the channel through which the transaction took place. So we have this as well. If we select a product category, we see a slight change, but then we can go in to make this better. So we go back here and now we go into the filter cut. And if when a filter is applied, one, we would want to change the background color of that. And let's choose this color. And also now when this filter is applied, we would also want to change the color of this text to make it white and change the font family as well into this. So this doesn't look so good. So we can always go in and just change it and play around with it. This looks a bit better. Now we can just maintain it as what we had by default. So let's go in to look at the default one is Sego UI. So now we can go back here and change it back so that it has the same styling as the default to keep the consistency. So yeah, basically this is a short video of showing how you can customize your filters pane to better suit the color theme of your reports that you have. In another video, we are going to go into more details about how you can use the filters in the filter pane. So thank you everybody for watching this episode, and see you next time.